it felt like the right place to be.
So this is an MOU with Sapient, where we're going to be bringing on some of their sensors, working really closely with the team to integrate them into our platforms, into the wider system, and really kind of accelerate that integration, testing, development, to bring it up and get it flying.
So we've been discussing this for a long time, getting more and more concrete. And over the past month, we've had like more and more technical discussions and also broader and broader business discussions around it. So initially, we as a small startup, we want our tech out there flying in their awesome drones. And then as we go on from there, we don't really see any limitations further down the road.
Yeah, so we think that strong partnerships are really critical to Tekever and supporting the development of small startups like Sapient, and really understanding the really incredible innovation that's happening out there in the market, and we really want to be able to understand that and accelerate that through into productization and deployment so that you can really, take these things from bench to operation quickly.
So we chose to sign the agreement here at the drone show because it brings together like the startup, the Danish and Nordic startup ecosystem with like large established companies like Tekever. And for us, it's super important to tie those ends of the spectrum together. So it felt like the right place to be.
So the International Drone Show in Denmark is obviously important to the regional discussion around defense and security and autonomy, in particular. So, bridging between the Baltic, the Nordic region, the North Sea and the Arctic by being in Denmark. It really helps expand the discussion in these kind of critical regions, and then understanding the really good work that's happening within the Danish ecosystem of innovation and startups is something that we think is really unique to this part of the world.